Revive had a significant opportunity to grow. We had an excellent reputation in the marketplace for technical quality and outstanding customer service, and we saw a huge opportunity to grow the business quite quickly. What we needed to do was transition 75% of the business from a man in a van to a management franchise, and the results have been significant. We had to change mindsets, and we needed a new type of franchisee to take us to the next level. IT has been at the heart of our transformation, and over the last few years we've developed an IT platform investing over £2 million that's created a slick, dynamic infrastructure for our franchisees. We've moved away from writing out invoices with a man in a van to an automated process that creates invoices, that provides customer data, that allows our franchisees to manage technicians and understand what sales segment they're working in. The results have been absolutely tremendous. Another key part of the business has been the development of the head office team. We've invested in a feedback platform that's allowed us to understand how our employees are feeling, to act on those things, and we've really developed a clear process for sharing information, for communicating and understanding that organisational fit. The big message that we heard from our employees was that the environment that we worked in was really important, and that's something that was at the forefront of our mind as we grew. Going into lockdown, it was really important that we focused on how we would come out of this, and we decided to focus on a different segment of our business in case the trade was quiet. The exciting thing was that franchisees bought into this. They took on board the training that was on offer, they took on board the strategy, and they really worked hard when they came out of this. And this meant that multiple records were created by the franchisees, not just in 1 month, but 2 out of the last 3 months. It was staggering, and all down to the hard work and key focus that the franchisees put in.